Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to add a background image in Excel. Like and subscribe, support the channel. Let's get started. To add an image as a background, we go to the page layout tab and select background. Next we can choose where to put the image from. For example, I'll insert a picture from my computer. Select the image and click insert. And as you can see, the background of the worksheet has changed and we can continue working. If we zoom out, then the grid lines disappear and the image of the worksheet is more clearly visible. But if the grid lines are not needed, we can disable their display here. And if your image is very bright and the text or data is not visible, then you can change the color and font size of this data, or even change the feel of this section of the sheet. And to delete the installed image, we need to click the Delete Background button. Everything is simple. Now you know a little more. Thanks for watching.